Hello, welcome to Lee's cookery class, and today we're going to be cooking creme brulee. Okay, so for this recipe we need 500 millilitres of double cream, we need 4 fluid ounces of caster sugar, we need a vanilla pod and 6 preferably free range eggs. For this recipe we need to set the oven to 150 degrees centigrade, that's 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and gas mark 2. So the first thing we need to do is put 500 millilitres of double cream into a saucepan. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is split 1 vanilla pod and place the contents into the cream. And just scrape contents. This is quite a tricky operation. Once we've removed all of the inside of the vanilla pod, we will then chop up the vanilla pod itself and place that into the mixture also. And then all of this is placed into the pan with the cream. We will let the cream come to the boil and then let it simmer for a few minutes. Okay, so next thing we need to do is to have 6 egg yolks mixed in with the caster sugar. Let's see if I can do this without breaking the yolk. Okay, now I need to whisk this with the sugar. We need to mix this until we get a nice even texture. Now, normally you would use a whisk for this, but since we don't have one at the moment, we need to make it with a fork. So we need to bring the cream to the boil, and then we need to let it simmer for 5 minutes. Okay, so once this is mixed correctly, we need to add this to the cream. We need to bring this back to the boil, stirring continuously. So we need to stir the eggs and the cream until they're thickened, and then use a sieve to transfer liquid into a jug or another pan. Okay, so once you've used the sieve, you're left with a much smoother mixture which we need to transfer into the ramekins. And each ramekin needs to be filled approximately 2/3 full. The next thing we need to do is a bain marie, which is basically a bowl half filled with hot water. So now we transfer this into the preheated oven. It needs to go into the middle shelf for 40 to 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, the liquid should have set slightly. So we need to remove it from the oven and then allow it to rest at room temperature. So the custards need to be set, but still a little wobbly in the middle. So once they've cooled and rested, the next stage is to put 1 level teaspoon of caster sugar spread evenly over the dessert. Now the final step is to use this special blowtorch in order to caramelise you can just start to see the browning of the sugar. We let these cool for another 3 or 4 minutes and then they are ready to serve.